Well, good morning, guys. Thank you for coming. I miss you guys so much. It is Diamond with Casting Vision. I just thought that I would reach out, do a video. It's been a long time. I told you guys November 7th that something was going down and I didn't tell you what it was going to be. But guess what? I got some good news. We're switching things up a little bit until we can get our building and get in there and inspire youth adults to be great. So right now, I want to tell you that I am coming to a school near you. So what I need you to do is I need you to comment, I need you to like, I need you to subscribe to our channel so we can get the message out to the principals of the school so that I can inspire your children, your nieces, your cousins, your aunties, your uncles, however way it may be, at schools near you to be great. What my purpose is to inspire others to be themselves. One thing that I noticed when I was a kid is I jumped into school and I was thinking, oh my gosh, okay, I need to find who I am. So let me see how this person dressed. Let me see how this person acts. Let me see what this person does. And that wasn't me. Like, I was created to be the person that I'm supposed to be because everyone else is taken. But for some reason, schools have this presence to be alike, to be grouped, to be unified. But I want you to be unified uniquely. I want you to be unified to love yourself, who you are, what you do, what you like, what you wear, how you dress, how you look, how you act. I want you to be great. So please, 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 please be yourself because someone else is taken. So I just want you guys to help me, help you, help me, help you, help me, help you, help me, help you to love others. So what I'm thinking is, even if it's a small group setting, even if it's me just coming to talk to different people, if it's an assembly at the school, I can come to you. You just sit there, kick back, relax. Sorry, I'm walking across the street. Want to make sure I look both ways. So I want you to do that. Be yourself. Be great. Be wonderful. And hey, like and subscribe, okay? Like, subscribe, and please, please, please share. Because I know that you know teachers. I know that you know principals. I know that you know people in the education system that need someone to just love on these children and show them that they are exactly who they were born to be. That makes sense? Okay, so my thoughts are to reach the people before they become of age. Does that make sense? Because it starts with school. It starts with even if you're a stay-at-home mom or dad and you don't want, your children to be in different types of environment, and that's why you've decided to be a wonderful, wear another hat of, being a stay-at-home teacher, a stay-at-home cook, musician, whatever it may be. I can even come to you in that way. I'm going to be posting videos coming soon. You would be able to listen to different things, different sessions that inspires other people to be who God has created them to be. So when I say that, even though I am a believer, I am definitely respectful of other people's views and their takes and things like that. So talking about religion and politics is completely out of the question for me. I want you to feel comfortable. I want you to feel comfortable in that sense. Like, I want to get you uncomfortable as far as, ooh, I don't want to be myself because I'm scared and I don't know what people are going to think, and I don't want to do this and I don't want to do that. I don't mean like that. I mean in a sense like I want I want you to be uncomfortable in that way, but I don't want you to be uncomfortable in the way where you feel like I'm preaching at you or preaching to your kids when you guys have different beliefs, different views, and things like that. All I want to do is to teach your child to be authentic, to be their authentic self, because I know that they are great. I know that you created them for a reason, and they need someone to love on them and encourage them and help them. And you need help. Like, I want to be your village. I want to help you, help me, help you, help me, help you. So, I would love to see you there. I'm so glad I'm seeing you guys because it's been so long. But I just want you to know that I am so excited about what is about to happen, because I know that there are so many things out there that that are willing to be utilized, and I just want you to just hear me, understand me, know me, so that you can understand and help yourself. So anyway, you guys, I am here and I've made it home, so I am going to get on out of here. So you all have a wonderful day. Be great, be yourself, love yourself. Do something, take your kids out and say, hey, you pick one thing that you want to do and let's see what we're going to do together. All right? So have a good day. Love you so much and can't wait to see you next time. Woo!